Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name is Katelyn, and today I have another DIY gifting idea for you, and this is for the tea lover in your life. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a tea tree, and I will show you the picture right here. It is a fairly easy DIY, and I think for any tea lover out there that you want to gift tea to or incorporate some Christmas flavors, this is a cool way to display it to them and gift it to them, and then maybe they can put it out as a decoration for Christmas, and then in the new year start enjoying their new tea. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the tea tree. So for this DIY, you're going to need a foam cone Christmas tree base. This is 11.8 inches by 4.3 inches, so it's got a good height to it. You're going to need some tea. We've got some Christmas flavors here. Christmas in Paris herbal tea and cranberry pomegranate caffeine-free herbal tea. So it's nice if you have a few different flavors or ones that have different colors on their packages. That way it kind of gives a better variety of color to your tea tree. And I'm sorry for all the water running. We're doing dishes and laundry and all that stuff, so it's a little bit loud in the background. You're going to need something to attach your tea bags with. Again, preferably tea bags that are individually wrapped to attach to your tree. But I'm going to use some thumbtacks. And if you can get some colored ones or maybe just some metal ones, these are just gold ones that are circular. They kind of look like ornaments that are holding on the tea bags. So whatever color range you want to do. And I'm going to actually make a tree skirt for the tree as well. So I found this piece of fabric, I think at Dollarama, some kind of dollar store. Anyways, it's just a big square fabric in the craft section. So I cut it in half to make it extra long, and I've already sewn it together in a circle. And then I added some trim to the bottom. Oops, hopefully you can see it. There you go. You can see the little braided trim. And this fabric is so cute because it has little teapots and mason jars, and I don't know. It just goes with the tea theme. So I'm actually going to cut this shorter because I don't want it to be as wide. Then I'm going to sew an elastic around the top of it, stretching it as much as I possibly can. That way it'll bring it in fairly small, so I can wrap that around kind of like here-ish on the tree, and then I'll use a couple tacks to hold it on and then decorate the rest with the tea bags. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this just with my rotary blade and a ruler and sew on the elastic and come back and show you the next step. So I've got my styrofoam cone and my tree skirt. Now it is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to be pleating it as I go. And I'm actually going to use some of my sewing pins that have larger heads on them so that it goes further into the styrofoam. So I'm just going to make a little pleat here. And I want the skirt to kind of come out further than the tree at the base, so it kind of will flare out a bit. So I'm going to stick that in there. And if you have any seams in your fabric, you can hide it with your pleating. So once you've got everything in place, you can put a couple more pins in just to hold it, and try and put it through your elastic as well. I think that's pretty good. Our tree skirt has a nice and cute little flare to it. So now I'm going to use my tacks to just place the tea all over the tree, kind of alternating my colors as I go. As you can see, these ones are all individually wrapped and they're kind of like a burgundy with purple. And these ones are purple with a tan color on the back. So I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up so that these kind of overlap the tree skirt a little bit. And I want to make sure that when I put my tack through, that it's going through the sealed part of the bag and not the open part of the bag. So you can see where they've pinched it. You want your hole to go through that area, not the open part where the tea bag is. As you make your way to the top, you may have to start piercing them in the corners and doing them more like this. That way you can fit more around as the cone gets shorter. So I'm just going to put a couple more on here. And once I get to the top, I'm just going to use the tacks to cover the white part. There you go, guys. There is our tea tree. It looks so, so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tea tree DIY. You can add a little star to the top or a little ornament. Anything you want. You can decorate it with little garlands or however you want, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I mean, there's a ton of tea on here. There's a ton going on, and it's so cute with the little tree skirt too. So I think I'm complete with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you make something like this, or you have in the past, I'd like to see it. So share it with me on Instagram with the hashtag becauseimcrafty, or tag me in it, however you'd like me to see it. But I think this is just a super cute and unique gift. So again, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure to check out the end cards at the very end of this video to see my playlist of Christmas gift ideas and other videos. I've made quite a few in the past, and I think this is the last one that I'm filming of this year. If I throw in another one, then that's like a bonus. but I filmed a lot already this year, so I'll try and get these up as quickly as I can. I hope you guys have a great holiday season, a great Christmas, and whatever you celebrate this year, have a great time and a safe holiday. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, crafters!